Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up YouTube keyword research with TubeBuddy, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To set up YouTube keyword research with TubeBuddy, begin by ensuring you have a TubeBuddy account. Visit the TubeBuddy website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, install the TubeBuddy browser extension. After installation, open YouTube and sign in to your account. You will see the TubeBuddy icon appear in the top right corner of your YouTube dashboard. Click on the TubeBuddy icon to access its features. From the drop-down menu, select Keyword Explorer. In the Keyword Explorer, you can enter keywords related to your video topic. After typing in your keyword, click on the Explore button. TubeBuddy will provide a score based on search volume and competition. Examine the results carefully to determine the best keywords for your content. Look for keywords with a good balance between high search volume and low competition. You may also notice related keywords suggested by TubeBuddy. Explore these related keywords and consider using them to broaden your reach. If you find a keyword you like, click on the Copy button to save it for later use. Next, switch to your video upload page in YouTube. Paste your chosen keywords into the title, description, and tags of your video. Be sure to use your main keyword in your video title for better SEO optimization. Once you've filled in your video details, proceed to upload your video. After your video is live, return to TubeBuddy to track keyword performance. Utilize the A/B testing feature to experiment with different titles and thumbnails. This will help you understand which keywords resonate most with your audience. Regularly revisit the Keyword Explorer to refine your strategy as trends change. With these steps, you're all set to enhance your YouTube presence through effective keyword research with TubeBuddy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.